Okay everyone, today we're diving into something you can use right away. How to order food in English. Picture this. You're at a restaurant, you're hungry, but you have no idea what to say. Well, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do. Let's go. First, greet the staff. You can say, hi, hello, or good evening. If it's later in the day, it just depends. If they ask, how many people, you can answer with, a table for two, please. Or just one, thank you. You can also get specific about where you want to sit. Could we sit by a window, or is there a quieter table available? Maybe it's really crowded in the front, and you're hoping that something in the back will be available. So remember to say please and thank you. It's simple, but it makes a big difference. When you're ordering food, make it clear and ask questions. Alright? So now let's talk about ordering, okay? Here are some ways that you can order. I'll have the blah blah blah. So for example, I'll have the grilled chicken, please. Or, can I try the blah blah blah? Can I try the chicken tacos? If you want to know more about the food, just ask, what do you recommend? Or if you need suggestions. So you ask the waiter, what do you recommend? What's your special? Blah blah blah. Is it spicy? If you're not a spicy fan, you want to ask questions and get clear answers. So if you want to avoid spicy food, you can say, is it spicy? And then when you need to make changes, use these phrases. Like, could you add blah blah blah? Like, could you add extra cheese? Or, can I get this without blah blah blah? So for things that you don't want, you can say, can I get this without onions? Alright? And if you want to check on how big a dish is, try this. So, how big is the portion? Is it enough for one person? Or can I split it? The waiter or waitress will be able to answer that more than likely. So these phrases will help you customize your meal. So don't be afraid to ask questions. Alright, and finishing up, right guys? Finishing up your meal. Asking for the check before you leave, right? So when you're ready to leave, you'll need to ask for the check. Here are some ways to do it. Could we get the check, please? Could we get the check? Or could I have the bill when you're ready? And some other useful ways that you can ask is, is service included? To know if the tip is already part of the bill. Or do you take credit cards if you're unsure about payment options? So before you go, you can thank the staff by saying, thank you, the meal was great, or just a simple thanks a lot. So there are many things you can do in a restaurant when you're ordering, before you order, as you order, and when you're leaving, or when you're asking for the check, or checking on something. So let's go ahead and do a quick recap, okay? So first, greet the staff when you enter. Ask for a table. Order your food. Remember to ask questions if you need to. And finish by asking for the check. Now you're ready to order food like a pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And if you got any other situations you want to try to get help with, let me know. Let me know in the comments below. I want to help. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.